enhancing anti-tumor immunity through high-LED radiation and immunotherapy. We have made progress in cancer treatment, but some cancers don't respond to treatment. Radiotherapy damages cancer cell DNA. This can trigger an immune response against the tumor. We think that high-energy radiotherapy can boost this immune response. This could slow down the tumor growth. High LED particles. High LED particles are energy that moves a certain distance. More energy means more DNA damage and more cell death. Alpha particles have high energy. They damage DNA a lot. This can cause small DNA bits called micronuclei to form. This can trigger immune responses. DART. Diffusing alpha emitters radiation therapy, or DART, is a way to get alpha particles to tumor. It uses a metal seed with radium-224 in it. The seed goes into the tumor. As radium breaks down, it makes radon gas. The gas gives off alpha particle. The gas spreads through the tumor. This lets the alpha particle reach more of the tumor. Immune checkpoint blockades, or PD-1. PD-1 is a protein that helps control the immune system. It interacts with another protein, PD-L1, to protect healthy cells from immune cells. But cancer cells can use PD-1 to avoid the immune system. This can be blocked with a PD-1 inhibitor. This lets immune cells attack cancer cells. The paper tests this idea by combining high-energy DART with a PD-1 inhibitor. The paper uses 40 mice with 4 T1 cancer cells. A DART seed is put in their left leg. The mice are divided into 4 groups. Each group gets a different treatment every 3 days. Group 1 gets a radioactive DART seed and a PD-1 inhibitor. Group 2 gets a radioactive DART seed and IgG. Group 3 gets a non-radioactive seed and a PD-1 inhibitor. And lastly, Group 4 gets a non-radioactive seed and IgG. IgG is used as a control. The tumors are measured every 2 days. On day 14, the spleen and the tumor are removed. The immune cells in the tumor are examined. They are checked for helper T cells, killer T cells, IFNG+, which helps killer cells, and TIM3, which drives out T cells. Results. After putting the DART seed in the mice, the tumors in group 3 and 4 grew gradually. But the tumor in groups 1 and group 2 grew more slowly. The tumors in group 1 were much smaller than the tumors in the other groups on day 8 and day 14. The levels of CD4+ and CD8+ immune cells were higher in the other groups than in group 1. But group 1 had more TIM3 immune cells than the other groups. Group 1 also had more IFNG+ immune cells than group 4. Conclusion. The paper says that using high-energy particles with immunotherapy made the tumors grow more slowly. Using DART with PD-1 inhibitor did boost the immune responses. But there were still signs that the immune system was being held back.